Facades made of glass are gaining ground in all big cities throughout the world. Glass today covers all applications from flooring to roofing, from office towers to residential buildings, in cold as well as in hot climates. In the last 10 to 15 years, we gained a lot of knowledge about glass under high loads. Glass bonding became more and more important. Today, structural glazing facades are state-of-the-art in architecture.
Silicone adhesives are the only approved choice for structural glazing applications in architecture, and this is due to their high resistance to UV radiation and to extreme temperatures. Sika solutions already are the answer to many requirements that architects and owners have today, and they expect freedom of design, energy efficiency, and resistance to extreme loads such as earthquakes and bomb blast. Silicones are known to be rather soft and low modulus materials, and it's indeed a challenge to increase these properties. With the development of Sika Seal SG550 and IG25HM+, Sika was able to do that, and it was possible by optimizing the various networks that form inside the silicone during cure. A higher modulus enables smaller joints in the facade.
With our new high-strength silicone solutions, Sika offers our customers an increased freedom of design and reduced material consumption. Further, Sika enables the use of argon-filled insulating glass units in all climates.
Sika support already starts with the planning of a building. By means of our joint calculator, we support specifiers and engineers with their calculation processes. The tool is self-explanatory and guides through the calculation. Thorough project-related testing is the next step and ensures feasibility under real-life conditions. For the success of a structural glazing project, the knowledge and skills of the applicator are essential. Therefore, Sika offers comprehensive trainings at one of Sika's technology centers or at customer site.
The Evolution Tower in Moscow is an example for challenging modern architecture. It has been the first cold bend glazing project in Russia. Sika Seal IG25HM+ enables the construction with each floor twisted against the preceding one, a perfect example for highest architectural freedom of design. The Sika Seal IG25HM+ was chosen for the glass facade of the 462-meter tall Lakta Tower in St. Petersburg. The major reason for its use is the high degree of energy efficiency achievable with our Sika solution. These are just two representative examples out of several thousands projects realized with Sika facade solutions on all continents. This success reflects Sika's ability to accompany the customer throughout the whole project from planning to realization.